Fix Baby Ruth's hair.
Your hair, Baby Ruth.
Are you done playing? Can you tidy up now? What? Oh no, what happened? Are you breaking your toys?
No. Oh, let's picture. Yay!
Sure. Click. Click, click, click. Okay, go na. Tidy up the toys now. Are you done? No more picture na. No more na. Go tidy up now. Tito Hendrix. Tidy up now.
No po.
Why?
I want rabbit po.
You want what? What do you want to do, Baby Ruth?
He's playing. Playing. I'll make a computer for you. A new computer in the world. Is the new computer is coming. Kape. Hey, I'll make a new computer.
Don't say hey. Don't say hey. Hey is not a good word. Okay?
Okay.
Okay po.
Oops. I'll make a new computer. Almost done. And another one because we need a super big computer.
Is that a laptop? Yes po.
Yeah. Yeah. Hey, hey.
Can you fix your hair, Baby Ruth?
Hey.
Why is your hair so messy? Why is it so messy? Come here, Mama will fix your hair. Come on, Mama will fix your hair.
Another.
Wow, nice laptop dito ah.